Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again, I have been blessed with happy mail. This is from Carrie and Eli at Inkpad's Playpad. If you are not one of their subscribers, you should be. I highly recommend them. Carrie and Eli are fun and funny, and they have a whole array of toy-related, mostly doll-related items that she does a lot of unboxings. She picks up odd things to me, and I don't mean like odd. I mean like things I wouldn't think to look at in the toy department. And she and Eli are just fun to listen to in their videos. Sometimes I think he calls it snag. When she finds something or he likes something, he'll say, oh, that's snagged, meaning it's going to be part of his collection, not hers. They're just a lot of fun. Thank you, Carrie and Eli. Carrie did ask me if I would like this particular item, so I think I know what it is. And I got to tell you, I'm excited. This sat for 3 days waiting for me to open it. I mow. We have 10 acres and we mow it, and it takes quite a while. It's a very thick grass, so I have to go slow. We do have a riding lawnmower that I often break, and that's how I got to open this today, because I kind of broke it yesterday. So in a minute, we're going to have to go get parts so Darren can fix it again. And we can get back out there, because we didn't get the back. We call it the playground. It's our back pasture that now looks like a yard. And we love it here. We absolutely love it here. Darren and I are outdoors people, and we play on our place. We have a pond. We have stand-up paddleboards and kayaks, and we have catfish that we feed. We should insert that there, Darren, just a little picture of the catfish. But I know people want to see what this is. Oh, I'm excited. Oh. Carrie opened one of these on her channel. Oh, it's lovely. I have other Barbies on bicycles. I don't know if you know they make these or not. She is lovely. I love her. Thank you very much. For those of you that do not know, I'm going to open her. You know what? I'm going to do an unboxing on another video, because I don't want this to get too long. But for those of you that don't know, Darren and I are cyclists, and I used to go a lot more miles than we do now. But we live right on the Katy Trail by design. One of the biggest draws to the house we bought was that it's on the Katy Trail. We've done it in full, both directions, several times. Our house has, now it's way more dolls, but our house design is, I have a lot of bicycles in the decor and a lot of holiday bikes and stuff. So she, bicycle and doll, perfect. Darren's going to put a link to Inkpad's Playpad down in the description. Drop by and see Carrie and Eli. Drop them a subscription. They're getting real close to 1,000. Thank you for watching our channel, the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, thank you, and subscribe.